welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to introduce you the Louis Vuitton Onthego MM, which is a beautiful bag. As you can see, it has two different colors. The first is the typical monogram and the other is the Monogram Reverse. I wanted to have this bag for so long, but it was sold out for such a long time, and my fiance, he found this bag I think 1 month ago, and then I had to take the credit card and buy it because I really wanted this bag. For me personally, it's like such a handy bag, which I often use to go shopping with my girls or just go to the office. It's also a perfect business bag where also a laptop can fit in, your iPad or an agenda. Yeah, so as you can see, it has two handles. The first one is again the Monogram Reverse, and the other one is the typical monogram. The hardware is always golden, so I love gold. Also, I often wear like gold jewelry, so it's perfect for me. Here it's the other hardware. It's here, and that's it. So let's get started with the inside. As I told you, it's so spacey. You can put in almost everything you want, also like a bottle of water, a laptop, iPad, your phone, your keys, your agenda, everything just fits in. And as you can see, this red color is so beautiful. It's perfect. It's so girly, it's so elegant. I think it's the perfect bag. So here you have two longer straps, which I think is also very handy because you can just wear it like this when you go shopping. You don't need to take it in your hand, or you can wear the other side. It's just a perfect bag. Also on the inside you have like a zip where you can put your smaller things, like I have a perfume bottle inside, and you can just easily close and open it, close and open it. So as you can see, you have like two different styles of wearing it, the longer strap or the shorter one. So me personally, I prefer the shorter one as I wear it as a tote, but of course you can wear it with the longer straps if you need it. What I really love to do is to accessorize my Louis Vuitton bags with a Louis Vuitton accessory. So for this bag, I can show you an example of this accessory, which I often use for my Louis Vuitton bags. It has, I think, the beige color and a ivory color, which is also on a gold hardware. You can use it for almost every bag. So I will just try to show you. So it looks like this. You just pop it in, and that's it. And just like that, you have like quite a new bag, like so chic and so elegant, and it's definitely an eye-catcher. This bag you can use in all seasons. You can use it in the winter, in the summer, in the spring. It looks always like very nice accessory. Also with this bag, it's like you have two bags because you have the different coloring, which is, I think, exceptional. Yeah. Also, what I really wanted to mention is that this bag, it really resembles the Neverfull, which I personally am not a fan of it. My best friend will hate me for that, but we talk about this later. I think I paid for this model 2,000 euros. I bought it online, as I said. It's the Onthego MM, which is the smaller version. You can also find the bigger version, which is the Onthego GM, and I think it's just 100 euros expensive. So yeah, it's a beautiful bag. You can wear it at every season and you can fill it with every stuff you want. Me personally, I like to put my iPad inside because I often use it in my office. I put my mobile phone, my car keys, my apartment keys, my agenda, because I'm also a type like I like to write things down. Very important is my bottle of water. And I think that's it. Also some cosmetics, because you know, we women, we like to have our lipstick and mascara with us. So this bag is perfect for everything. You can use it for going out to the dinner, or you can use it for the office. You can make it like so different styles, and it's perfect. And also what I want to mention is that you don't find this bag so often. When you look around, you rather found the Neverfull, but this bag is really exclusive. So it was so much fun doing this video, and I would be really happy if you would leave a like, a comment, or subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can discover my closet together.